In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate age from date of birth in Google Sheets. So as you can see for the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of date of birth and age as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the age from the given date of births. So to do this, we're going to use dated if formula. Simply input the following formula on your selected cell. Equal sign, dated if, open a parenthesis, then type the cell reference of your date of birth. We're going to input A2 in here, comma, today, close and open parenthesis, comma, then open a quotation mark, Y, then close the quotation mark, then close the parenthesis. Simply click enter in here, and as you can see, it has successfully calculated the age from this given date of birth. Let's do it on other dates in here. Simply input the same formula, just replace the cell reference for each date. And as you can see, it has successfully calculated the date of birth. And that's about it. That's how to calculate age from date of birth in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.